my loves, Send Hair coming at you with another video, and this video is sponsored by Mslynn Hair. They sent me this wig and I really like they included this little elastic band. Thank you. Yes, so as you can see, the lace looks really good already. Ignore the missing nails, okay? I'm trying to get these nails off for my next video, but this hair is absolutely beautiful, and I am going to go ahead and bleach these knots. Now for these knots, I am using Guy Tang. As you guys know, I love his balayage lightener for, you know, wigs and bleaching lace and stuff like that, because it does not move. Okay, so in this case, I'm not bleaching the not drastically, just a little bit, but not drastically. And I am going to go in and just put a couple of little slices of, you know, lightener in, like a little balayage effect, just a little bit, just to brighten it up around the face. It won't really be noticeable on camera, but it's just to brighten my face up. So really quick, I'm just going to, you know, do this little thing with the cap. You guys have seen this 100 gazillion times, so I'm not gonna talk you to death about it. I'm just gonna do, you know, one little disclaimer. I was talking to my mom at the beginning, so you will see some yapping a little bit, but that is, you know, that's pretty much it. But I want you guys to make sure you check the description box below for all of the information on this hair. It came out, in my opinion, really nice, and I really like this hair. Okay, as you guys know, I do, you know, sometimes I go, you know, overboard doing the lace and stuff, but for the most part I don't. This time I just wanted to give you guys a little bit more of a natural look. And yes, I'm under the dryer and not holding a dryer on, because that takes too long for me, and I had stuff to do, so I just answered emails while I sat there. But this came out really good. This is what I'm talking about, talking to my mom. Everything came out really good, you guys. But like I said, in this case, I'm not doing a drastic melt on the sides where my glasses are. I didn't go too far doing that, you guys, but you know, it's pretty self-explanatory. Get into it. If you haven't done so already, make sure you are subscribed here to my channel. Once you subscribe, make sure you click that bell notification so you are notified every single time I post a video. And also subscribe to my website and all of those things. I love you guys so much. And make sure you leave some comments in the comments below and let me know what you think about this one. This one is Send approved, you guys. I really like this hair a lot. Okay, yes. So I will see you on my next video, and until next time, bye.
When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. I promise you'll never leave me. When it comes to you and me, there's no one else I'd rather be with. Baby, I won't let you down. I got it, I know you need it. Love is it when you're around. Oh, please say that you believe it, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. I hope you feel that way too. No, I don't wanna lose you. Baby, don't go. Don't go. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. Oh, when I get you back, oh yeah. Cause I don't wanna lose you. I hope you feel that way too. No, I don't wanna lose you. Baby, don't go. Oh. when I get you back, oh yeah. I promise you'll never leave me. When it comes to you and me, there's no one else I'd rather be with. When I get you back, oh yeah. Oh. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah.
You made us work, I made us worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Yeah, I'm a mess, I'm not my best, but I won't stop until you're here, till you're here. You're miles away, it's safe to say. It's almost like you've disappeared, disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? I just wanna let you know that I'll do anything to get you here. Oh, I could never let you go. I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? I saw you, I knew all the time. It was something in the air that night, and in the way you looked at me. I get nervous when you get close and my heart fills up with butterflies, and then you leave me speechless. My world turned upside down. Just say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart, don't break it now. Remember, it's the only one I've got. The one I've got. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Instead of keeping it all inside. So hard with you, I don't know why. Believe me, boy, I've tried. When you're near me, my heart fills up with butterflies, and then you leave me speechless. My world turned upside down. Say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart, don't break it now. Remember, it's the only one I've got. The one I've got. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Just say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart. Don't break my heart. Remember, it's the only one I've got. The one I've got. Don't break my heart. Just say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart. Don't break it now. Remember, it's the only one I've got. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart.
Oh yeah, this could all be over. We're not okay. Shattered glass everywhere. Tears of rage. Waiting for the rain to stop and take my pain away. Why'd you have to be that mean? Why'd you do me that way? We should know that we won't be any better. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop. Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slammed to figure silhouettes. Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Baby, I surrender. I can't take it anymore. I don't want to remember. Just wanna let it all go. Waiting for a new day, when I won't feel no pain. You will have to let me go, so I can be myself again. We should know that we won't be any better now. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it Door slam, 2 figures, yeah. Come on, say, is this